As the new CEO of the Vienna Stock Exchange, my message to you is simple. Going public on the Vienna Stock Exchange, be it with shares or bonds, is the decisive step forward for your business needs. You'll achieve greater visibility, a broader investor basis, and make yourself independent from other sources of refinancing.
Going public with your company means a chance to carrying through your visionary strategies. Tapping the stock market to raise equity gives the company more flexibility, opens up new perspectives, turns innovative business ideas into global opportunities, and turns employees into shareholders. The access barriers are not that high. We at Erste Group help companies every step of the way. The most important steps include preparing a convincing investment story for the company presentation, the drafting of a listing prospectus, and staying in contact with potential investors both during the process and also at the end, just before the initial listing.
The shares of the Austrian Post are publicly traded since the 31st May of 2006. And the Austrian Post at that time was only the third postal companies which went public. We appreciate very much the discussions with analysts and with our international shareholders. This feedback is for us a very positive and very important influence and impact to our development. I think this is a very positive development, and I'm sure that we would have seen a different and not so good development without the IPO.
Over the past few weeks, we have been intensively examining our position in comparison to other trading venues. The results speak for themselves. We are, without doubt, the best positioned stock exchange worldwide to promote Austrian companies. Nowhere else Austrian companies achieve greater visibility, access a broader range of investors, a better trading of their shares, or lower costs.
The global IPO report shows that on average 89% of the companies have chosen the home market as their listing destination. They benefit from brand recognition and the ecosystem which is available. Our worldwide institutional investors survey shows that investors have four criteria for the question of the right IPO destination. The first is a liquid stock exchange. The second is trust and confidence in the regulation and rulebooks of the stock exchange. The third is sustainable and ongoing presence of the management and the commitment to be on investor conference and analyst calls.
The Polytec business model requires a substantial volume of capital to fund investments and working capital. An exchange listing in Vienna ensures that it will be able to raise the equity it needs. The Vienna Stock Exchange offers small and medium-sized companies an ideal trading venue and access to international capital markets. The Vienna Stock Exchange provided us with excellent support ahead of the initial public offering. Even today, we continue to regularly use its services.
In light of this, I'm inviting you to come on board and see the benefits of this exchange for yourselves. We can provide you with concrete evidence, individualized for your company, that this exchange will serve you best. You will be astounded by how easy it is to pave the way for you to the stock market.